Iiwan niyo yung Makati, eh, 'no? So, meron ba tayong nakikitang plano lalo't magfa-filing na, ano ba ang magiging itsura lalo sa inyong pamilya kung, sino naman ang puwedeng humalili pagka kayo'y nag-national na?
Well, technically, hindi ko naman po iiwanan yung Makati. I think
Okay.
that's a promise that I have been giving
Yeah.
to my constituents here. Kasi nga, that's also the reason why we have decided to field Luis Campos, my husband, to continue my program.
Hmm.
Because marami pang mga programa na nakabitin. Sobrang dami. As in, you'd be surprised. Parang kung tutuusin, dapat I'm semi-retiring or unwinding my business already. But because of so many opportunities and projects that are that are coming my way, for example, a housing project, Pasig River Promenade, sobrang dami. Building more schools, building new schools with our very limited space, building a bigger and more modern sports complex. Sobrang dami pang project. And the thing is the vision. Kung hindi parehas ang vision nung mayor, I'm very afraid na papalitan lahat ng mga polisiya na naumpisahan natin while I was mayor. So yun yung I can't speak for my sister, my brother, or whoever member of my family. Basta I can only speak for myself that the person that will run for mayor will be my husband, Luis Campos.
Okay. So ang magfa-file ng COC niya sa susunod na linggo ay yung asawa niyo, Mayor Abby, at hindi pa tayo
Yeah.
sigurado kung meron kang kapatid or kaanak na puwede ring tumakbo for that position.
I cannot speak for them,
Okay.
sorry.
nga.
Kasi at this point, hindi pa sila masyadong lumalabas. Hindi ko alam eh. Kasi parang confused pa sila kung sino sa kanila yung tatakbo. Eh ako naman, desidido na kasi marami pang mga project na kailangan tapusin. So, kaya as early as last year, we have already decided kung sino yung magiging lineup. Kasi nga, desidido naman na from the very beginning.